I hereby curse you by my name that any illness you collected money for shall be for you.
Jesus.
Master, please. I don't well. I see what you did there. No, I see what you did there. Okay.
What's up, my people? On the date, your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So, my people, make sure to watch to the very end, because trust me, it's gonna be the best you've ever seen. You understand? So, watch to the very end. Subscribe if you're yet to do that. Turn on the bell notification to get notified anytime I drop this amazing videos. You feel me? So, my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun. Jesus Christ.
Master, man you be. I'm sydiwundu.
I hear say master won't pass this road today. So hey, master, beg help me. Now maybe the woman with the issue of blood. For 20 years now, so this blood they rush. My family don't abandon me. Even my own husband he leave me run. Master, hold money. Help me, heal me. Master,
Ndubaby.
master help me. Heal me, I beg. Master, beg help me. As I did like this now, for the past 2 years I be asthmatic patients. Master, beg heal me. I get money to pay. Master,
sure.
Beg help me, oh.
Master, help me. My belly they pay me for like 5 months now. You know, Greek go. Help me, master.
How much and a whole total?
12,000.
Judas, you don't keep quiet there. What did they worry you?
Judas, you're too money conscious. Haba.
Judas, money they
Enough! For the fact that you, my children, are now putting money in place of miracles, I will not do anything. I will not even lay my hands on anybody here. Hey! You have to wait here until I go to the temple and finish my work. Then I can come and attend to you guys.
Master, please. Master, please. Master.
Judas go collect money. Yeah, I'm sure about that.
Master, this one will be like saying only they do miracle. We they follow you need if you do any miracle at all. No make sense now. At least even if I headache or cough, no they cure.
No now. All of you can do the same miracle that I do.
You mean now?
Yes. Because he that is in me is the same spirit that is in all of you here. Just have faith and you perfect miracles. You know?
Master, thank you. God bless you. Now the type of person you be, thank you.
Yes. No miracles. Let's go.
Who do you be?
Yes. So Judas.
What I talk?
How much you? Make an 300.
Okay, beg help me.
Madam, an issue of blood, make an 300.
Thank you.
Judas, you are collecting money for miracles, Judas. Something that I did not do. Is it how my father behaved, Judas?
We are in business now.
Judas, you need to tell me if you are with me or against me or between the fence.
Baba, listen to me. No matter the amount of blood when Lisa donate for crocodile, you know if see him on top fence. Judas, keep quiet. What did they worry you, eh? So all the story matter don't they tell us things, they don't listen. Baba, listen to me, oh. Not only Mumu now they believe story why be no sense see on that song.
Judas, I cannot believe this. Judas, hold
God,
on.
Jesus,
No, Judas, hold on.
Baba, listen to me. You feel give me hold on. Man, I give you pick 2. May your last card don't check up. I rest my case on God.
As a man.
Judas, I hereby curse you by my name that any illness you collected money for shall be for you. Master, please. I don't well.
You know?
I see what you did there. No, I see what you did there. Okay, it's fine. So because you know that I have kind heart, and if you pray to me, I will forgive you. That's why you. Oh, nice one. But Judas, listen to me, oh. When I must have finished the work my father sent me to do on earth here, and I leave this earth, Judas. My next coming here, you will fear me. Don't worry.
I go end your career. Now me, I go end your career.
Judas, no sense. This Judas
We are
now.
not on the same level. Let's be guided.
Judas now, mama.
Wow, my sunshine, how are you?
I beg get out. Sunshine for under this rain. Nonsense.
My rain before, I think saying snow.
Sunshine under them. You know why?
Welcome, Your Excellency. These are the content creators you sent for. They are ready for you, sir. Welcome.
Who be that? With your 2K followers. You two are content creator.
With your 2K followers.
I invited you here to encourage us to love our state the more. You are the content creators from our state, which means it is your state. So whatever we put out there is what they will know us for. There are insecurities everywhere you go. Go to any state, insecurities everywhere. So you have to support your own. Make videos, post, talk good things about your state so that people can come.
But Your Excellency, are we really safe? We the content creators are scared for our life because of the insecurity in this state.
Gaskiya ranka shi dade babu zaman lafiya a kasan nan. Wallahi zaman da muke zaman tsaye muke a kasan nan.
Calm down, calm down. And they say a closed mouth is what? A closed destiny. I've heard what you said. You've spoken well, and I welcome your idea. I gave you this token not as a bribe, but as thanks for coming.
Let me see there.
So, guys, our state is the safest state in the country. I'm so
I said they said right there.
Alpha guys, our state don't get safe now. If you drop your phone, drop your money, drop your MVP, go anywhere you like, go come back.
This one is Gazelle. I just want to let you know that my state is the most peaceful and secured state ever. Sisters, I've kidnapped Mama.
Hey guys, as you can see, our state is very safe.
The internet will hear good of me. Governor Amuneke.
What's going on here? Hey, Jesus.
Oh my God.
Oga, it was not there now. Oga, I was with you now.
The rest of the governor.
What do you mean he was?
The rest of the security.
Cover me.
Let's see the edit. Governor Amuneke is indeed one of his people. After your 12 favorite celebrities made videos posted online confirming the security level of the state provided by Governor Amuneke, they also went to his house to show some gratitude and pleaded with the governor to reduce the number of security per community.
Jesus Christ!
Dr. Ibusen, who spoke to our newsmen, said he could no longer condone having too many policemen in every corner of his community. Vote Governor Amuneke come 2027.
Blood of God.
So they turn everything when they turn around. Pluto.
Uncle,
So Pluto not true.
true say waiting.
We don't hear say you buy G-Wagon.
Uncle, not true that I bought G-Wagon last week.
So now G-Wagon be this one be.
No, now the G-Wagon you put one so now.
That's good.
Uncle, why you don't locate me now? What in the shop?
We not need the address before we pay somebody visit.
Ha!
I also hear say August. Say you get UK tour.
Hey, pa, not true, Uncle, not truth. Not truth.
That's good. You don't hear. Hey! No say now for village, now they for semicon. I need to go back to the village. Go tell them how I don't work out.
Uncle, no now, you know your worry. Maybe your lock up, your eye don't see. I go activate.
I know they take bribe.
Okay, you know your worry. That August, if I go UK, me will carry you. You'll deal with me.
Eh?
Carry you go UK now. I'll do your passport.
I don't need your permission to go UK. Place where they go every night, I come back the next morning. So make I go tell the elders, wait till I see you for town.
Na dream, oh.
Pluto. What's the shop?
Na dream, oh.
What's up now? You say you go confirm whether you buy G-Wagon. Say you dey go UK this August. Say they hear am everywhere for village.
Jesus! Where my G-Wagon?
He did compound now.
Find how you take and follow fence.
Find
you take and follow fence.
How you carry G-Wagon?
It is smoking,
man people.
See, make I tell you the wonders of this S25 Ultra. Okay, man, say, you see this pen? You see this pen? If you use and draw any of your imagination, it will come to life. If it doubts me, I say example now. I carry the pen now. Let me say, make I draw up.
Oh yeah, I don't draw the apple. Chill now, it will come to life. She be seen now, it don't come to life. Okay, make a call say I want draw fried rice and turkey. She be say I don't come to life. That one are the #1 features of the Samsung S25 Ultra. So the second one, now voice interpreter. See, like example now, the follow person they talk now, the person they speak another language. You know they hear everything they talk. Just enter your voice interpreter. Okay, for example now, see this man now. I don't know the language they speak, but I see now. If I open my voice interpreter.
Hi, I am poor and I've been leaving here for the past 50 years. My wife says my penis is too small and she ran away from me. I'm also hungry, I don't have anything to eat.
Yes, that one are one of the features of this phone. Calm down, you know say if you use this Samsung S25 Ultra as X-ray. You did doubt me. Okay, no worry, see example now. See this guy now. I say, Mo, check his skeleton. Should be the see. You want to see the guy's skeleton? Now the guy's skeleton with that. You see him? Yes, so the few features of this phone be that. So, Oga, do they buy? I be no they buy. Give me these 2. I beg, I go need 5 more.
Hey! Fine girl. What's up now? Which ticket?
That ticket now, we say I give you that short Telegram group now, Mr. Tonic. What they say they get so prediction and so odd for long bets.
Oh, that 1K to win 40 million.
Hey, now.
I play him now.
You're a thief. Don't go say you play him, because that Mr. Tonic prediction, he enter.
See him.
Jesus Christ.
What's it with this? You walk on the stress now. Call the code for me.
F161D.
Get out. Get out. 40 million.
This guy.
Check him well. Your perfume is so nice. I can even smell it from here.
Hey!
You big gold digger.
Thank you.
I said this the enter.
You know you're saying win 40 million. You know you're saying win 40 million. That's the experiment.
This boy na Mumu.
I've told you, all I want is a brand new iPhone 16 and a new Lamborghini.
Hey!
You are not really Mumu the way you think.
I will tell you. Thank God say you know Mumu.
Who take her, who take her, who take her? She's a warrior.
Babe, where you go? I dey go my brother's side. Your brother's side? Yes. Eh? What's that for there? Nothing, no, he just come back from travel, so he say he don't miss the days for my pot. Say my come cook for him. Oh yeah, now my escort to reach gate now. I don't understand. No be your maid, they book her for their girlfriend. Jesus. Babe, calm down now, So don't say the money what they expect come and I'll book up for you now, Why you like this? No worry, you don't even do yourself. Where? See him now. Wait, my brother be this way travel come back? Yes now. That's not great and why you greet me. My bro, I greet you. Alpha. I do. I be greet you when you pass now. You don't answer me. I better not better, I'm not like you. I thought so come. You're welcome to China, No be China I come from, now UK I come from. Now UK come from? Yes. Let me say you do like this, so. See, everybody will come back from UK, they okay, but I do okay. We thank God. Hey, my bro. You know, they take care of a sister like this, and I'm not gonna lie for you. Nigeria hard like this, so you know go bad if you give me something I do okay now. That one no bad, sure. Okay. Clap back. Babe. Babe. No, I mean baby sis. Okay. And I tell her what you want to tell her. Do you have cash there or something? Okay. Hey, bro. I greet you. You are doing a nice job. I greet you. Saints. Just now. Yes. I confirm. Okay. Joe Saige. Babe. You know my name. Why is the column? I wonder. Hey, babe, see. I don't see the money. Why I call your name? You know, I don't see him. Okay. Thank you, my bro. No, so when they go like this? They go market. Market? Yes. Hey, my follow now. Go as one big family now. No, now, babe. We won't bribe somewhere before we go market. For me, not get to do for us. Now, just John go together. They go now. Just no get that way they do for her today. My bro, see. Yesterday I work, and the only thing I want to go do today for market now to go buy food stuff. But the money what they expect like is never come. So I don't think go today. Let me just. My bro. Now that I want to go market this kind of regime. Everything hard like this for Nigeria now, and you start the chop way. Hey! Will you keep quiet?
quiet.
Oh, yeah, said another.
Okay. We just go together.
No, don't worry. Go down and listen.
Let's have it.
218.
44. I must say.
610.
And a blast at the way.
bank?
Take out bank.
Take out bank.
I don't send them.
Don't send them?
Yeah.
Okay, me I confirm ma.
Blast!
Okay, send me so.
You know my in-law now.
See, this expectation very good. I go update massively.
No wahala.
Oh yeah, no. Babe, I thought your boyfriend car now.
I don't understand. Which one be boyfriend? I think you say na my brother.
My brother be this.
Yes.
You send money, you know that John side gay. You send money, you know that John no car for. How am I take relate?
Yeah.
I be near, you go take relate.
You won't take a calm down now. Jesus.
You don't have to be take her.
You now, baby.
See, no worry. This expectation I'll take again.
God, they hear you.
Amen. Enter me with the go.
Wahala too much.
You don't have 300k now. You go manage your 300k.
Mama.
Sir?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my brother. I John is very fine. Hope you give me my own share.
No, sir, it's for my fans.
Your fans?
So my name is Flowerboy. I'm a philanthropist. I go around helping a lot of people. But today we decided to go around and help just orphans.
Orphans? Is there any orphan in this compound?
Let's have it.
Ifeoma is an orphan now.
Oh,
yes, sir.
So you went to tell him that you're an orphan, Abi? You went to tell him you're an orphan, Abi?
This is 50,000 naira for you.
Thank you. Wait, because for 50,000 naira. What 50,000 naira?
No, sir, it's not just 50,000 naira. This is 1 million naira for you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Are you okay?
I don't remember what kid I father. He was a very good man.
What money cannot do, money can do it.
Money can do.
Cover not the review. That double you there?
Friend Jotter.
Can you help me get it out, buddy?
He's a father fisherman. No. Because you they shock me. Oh, fisherman.
Oh, okay, I get
you
it.
they shock me, fisherman. Shark.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Does the mother say lock?
No.
Because you draw me close to you.
I draw.
Okra.
Oh, okra. Oh,
Yes.
I get it.
Yes.
I get it.
Yes.
Kasal, basa.
Yeah. So don't worry, don't pay. I'll pay for it. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're such a nice gentleman.
Yo, no. So can I have your number?
Oh yeah.
So Talafa.
You mean that? You don't enter! Oh, guy, this Solomon prediction, they grace everything just the end.
Street, the girl are street.
We did that Telegram group that now soon just the supply.
If we dey do King Solomon.
But this weekend don't show everything don't palash like this, bro.
The girl are
God,
street.
everything don't show.
My G.
My nigga. Oh, you know, as Solomon don't they support we boys now. I don't they do.
Not be today when King Solomon dey sustain boys now. Wetin you dey chop now?
I just the chop suya so pick up line. My guy, give him that track too now. The okra one.
Can make a run okra one. I don't blame me. As you wear gown and dressing it, I don't know say na Tom Pola dey follow talk.
See this guy.
I go take join King Solomon bed.
Just use their link now. Join the Telegram channel.
Strong face like poor man prick.
Come on. There with the link. Sambo.
Give us this day our daily bread.
Rise up and walk.
God have mercy upon us.
Get the fuck out of here!
Never do such a thing.
Take it.
They play the show like we do.
You respect yourself, bro.
That man the boss, who was that?
sauce.
You know that.
Hello, mom.
I'm fine.
No, this one where you come to my house this morning. What's happening?
Nah, since yesterday I just dey hide around. You know, say today na girlfriend's day. So I just dey hide around, make I feel dodge that girlfriend day. So I won't come here, come hide, the remaining hiding. So tomorrow I go tell my babe say they kidnap me. See now why she no see me. You understand? With that thing go dey pity me. You understand?
You say your babe been dey find you. And she come here, I can't find you. Nah, she find you. Nah, I don't begin for. I don't go lie you. I don't feel allow himself. She be one go. I don't feel allow him.
Wait, so my babe dey here.
Alabama, your babe. Your babe dey here.
You mean am? Come, you chop am.
Alabama, she just dey sleep.
Guy, you chop my babe.
No.
Guy, you chop this girl. Tell me the truth.
Can't tell.
You chop am?
Can't tell.
Babe, guy, wait, make I come inside. You don't chop am. Make I carry am. Make I carry am.
Can't tell.
Are you want hide now? You want...
Excuse me, sir. This is your bill, sir.
My bill?
Yes, sir.
God, I'm
What giving up for what? It's not weak, sir. Not check the list over there before you order. Please do and pay your bill, please.
1.3 million for food. I to lie for this guy. I make a tenant say na gift card I get. I'm not getting it.
So
Okay, now why those guys don't
I
come?
already have gift card and there's no way I can trade it. So maybe tomorrow when I get cash, I'll come and pay you.
Gift card? Don't worry, trade it now with Gojigi. They buy and sell kind of gift card. Is it Apple card, Steam card, Google Play card? They buy any kind of gift card. If it's utility bills, want to pay your airtime, your data, they all have it. So what you do now, just download the app on Google Play Store, the Apple Store, and let's and trade now.
Oh, Jesus.
But I don't own this guy.
This guy have right. This guy Unkwa. You call her Jezebel.
May your own daughter be called Jezebel.
If you call it,
will you shut up?
if you're wicked, you will not be looking boy. Be wicked.
Is that what I want to have as a daughter?
No, or Delilah.
May that Delilah Wagedia. Then lie on you.
You're doing wrong, so.
May your own daughter be doing runs. What kind of stupid talk is that?
This is good, though. In Port Harcourt. Okay. Okala Linda.
Linda.
Calendar. You shut it. I will slap you now. You not be quiet. You carry your teeth now. You carry your teeth and be shooting it everywhere.
Let me hear the last name you have.
Linda. See, Linda. Every dating Yahoo boy.
Shh. Don't worry about that. Move to the next one. You say it's 4, right?
Okay. Chinedu.
Shh.
Chinedu.
What does that mean?
Female. Chinedu.
Do you have anything with the booze? Is that Tinebu or Chinedu? Are you okay?
Have an brother.
Just. Why?
This girl, you be good digger.
Brodda Lee.
Please, I have a question to ask you. Is your friend cheating on me?
I ain't go cheat on you in the crease. They don't put out a cheat on you.
Okay, so who is Amanda?
Amanda na just our normal friend now. Normal friend what they see for street now. Abi?
Just normal friend for street. I don't tell her before.
Okay, now no problem. Let's go to my father's house.
This more.
If I turn back, make I turn to sun.
I did your back, no worry.
Let's go inside.
What are you doing my back? I did your back.
Sinasi, I regular Mori Kilo Sele.
Daddy, I'm not fine. My boyfriend is cheating on me.
I'm a
celebrity herbalist. Every super jala, super call super cat. Hold the bizarre, hold the wala. No, yeah, swear you are not sitting on my daughter. If I shoot your daughter, may happen.
You know the trust man.
Anything to me.
Say with your best friend and you're not cheating on me.
So escort us come here.
Women.
Daddy, turn him to gold.
Hey, look, now your man here. If you not swear, you go turn to butter.
I go swear nothing. If I dey shit on your daughter,
put that from out.
If I dey shit on your daughter, may thunder fire Ojuku.
Jesus.
Ojuku die.
Hey! Get water!
For you for how many years? Come on, get off my front, Joe.
Jesus! Daddy, don't you come down, yo!
You see why you don't go to airport people in the era? Don't go airport person, no.
That's how I die, yo.
Solo.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Hi.
Yeah.
Welcome to my house.
Sorry. Yeah, PM to surgery. I don't know. My app is not working.
Hey!
And it's just having issues sync. Can you help me? It's just 5K.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, can you help me?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, it's on network.
My network is bad. This bank app. Yes.
That's the movie that people are watching nowadays, To Kill a Monkey. That's how this that if a guy. The guy is like he has the brains and everything.
Oh, sorry. You said what?
Okay, you didn't hear what I was saying.
No, I was on my phone. Sorry.
I was talking about the To Kill a Monkey, that the FA guy that is in the movie.
Oh, sorry. You said what?
Oh, Jesus.
Not saying anything.
Have to say bye, yo. Bye, yo.
Oh, I was scared. Where did you go to? Oh, you love the painting?
Yeah, I love the painting.
Oh, yeah. It was painted by Davishi Usbury.
Oh, wow, this shirt is fine.
Oh, thank you so very much. Yeah, I get nice polos now. No,
you have nice. Let's go and sit now. Let's see your room.
Don't worry. You sit on the ground. Don't worry. It's for holding me to see. Come and sit down. Come and sit down.
I wanted to change to something else.
Oh, no, any business you are conducting, you can conduct it. I'm a conductor. Thank you for appreciating my polo.
No
polo
problem.
G polo me. Yeah, now. Where are you going?
Am I right?
Okay. Let's go wait for your ride outside now.
Okay.
Your ride is around.
Yes, I ride around already. Wait, is this real gold?
It's real good now.
This is not a Creole. The guy I went to go and meet that kicked me out to Dubai last year, he has almost to 28 gold.
I don't know you like good like this. So your name should be good. I think I did.
And even the funniest part is that he didn't even touch me. Like 3 months, the guy didn't touch me.
He didn't touch you. Not even like this.
No.
For 3 months.
Yes, now.
Mado, his name should be touch you. Touch you. Yeah, now no wala.
Please, can you help me to sort it right? I told you that my app is not working.
Since then it's not working.
No, it's not working.
Yeah. Just step to that one man.
Okay.
Go and meet Tochi. Tochi that didn't touch you for 3 months. Go meet him. The guy with me I lodge for 50 kilos. I touch him. I screen touch him. Even screen protect no fit protect him. Say person lodge you for 3 months. Spend that kind of money no touch you. Yeah, now they play.
Not be only. So you agree to come to my place. Let's say okay, no wahala. You come. Your app no dey work, no problem. I pay, no wahala. But then you come into my house, and I'm talking to you, and you are busy pressing your phone. There's someone you are meeting for the very first time, and at my house you come. I mean, I don't know how to take the reason. Like seriously, I don't know how to take. If I follow you, they talk, you press your phone like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I will tell you, maybe you can't go. No, you can't go. To be honest, no, you can't go. That's just the truth. Because some girls they always act like say their parts know the markets. You get, and it's not like I don't know. In relationship, I feel it's something that a guy wants that a girl wants. So I don't understand why sometimes girls will be acting as if to say they are the prize. You know, you are the prize. The guy is also the prize. So you have to put your ego down so that you two can be compatible. You feel me? So I don't know. But anyways, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I really appreciate. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time and you are yet to subscribe, please put in it, subscribe, share the video, and drop nice comment. So see you in my next video, my people. Peace and love.